Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on my simple go-to summer makeup look. It's super hot here in Southern California right now, so my makeup look usually focuses more on glowy skin rather than eyes. So this eye makeup look is super simple. I only use like 2 eyeshadows, but if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my base first, since I'm not really gonna do a full-on glam eye makeup look. Usually for my go-to summer looks, I usually wear only one eyeshadow. So I'm gonna prime my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. Actually, just kidding. I'm gonna start off with the Farsali Unicorn Essence to add a little bit moisture to the skin. You could use this as a primer as well. Now I'm gonna go prime my face with the Pore Minimizing Primer. So I do have a little bit of dark spots and red spots from breakouts that I had this past week. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of color correcting. I'm gonna use the Covergirl TruBlend Pre-Touching Palette. Just has like these 3 color correctors in here. I'm just gonna use the green one to correct any redness that I see on my face. Then I'm going to take my Naked Skin by Urban Decay color corrector in Peach to correct the dark spots on my face. I'm just going to blend that in with my finger. Not blending it in completely, just tapping it into the skin. For foundation today, I'm gonna mix 2 of my favorites, the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in Valencia and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation in 310. It's on the back of my hand right now. I'm gonna blend this in using my Smashbox Blurring Foundation brush, which is a current favorite of mine. So now I'm gonna correct my under eyes. As you can see, they're super dark. I'm gonna use the same Naked Skin by Urban Decay in Peach again. Just gonna dot some under the eyes. For under eye highlight, I'm going to use 2, the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 3W. It's a little bit light on me right now, that's kind of why I'm mixing 2 of them. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Dark Neutral. So I usually just apply the Mercier right underneath my eye, just for a little bit of under eye brightening. And then I'm gonna take the medium dark neutral and use that to drag down a little bit. See, as you can see, it's not as bright as the other one. I'm gonna take the Makeup Shack, I don't know which brush this is, but it's like a little buffy brush thing. And I'm gonna blend that in underneath my eye. I'm not sure why, but when I use my beauty blender to blend it out, it's been acting really weird. It takes off the product, so that's why I've been using brushes a lot more lately. Now I'm gonna bake my under eyes with the PatrickStarrr setting powder. I've been using this forever. It's my favorite, and I'm just gonna use my beauty blender for that. I'm only gonna bake the inner corner of my eye. That's usually like where I tend to crease a lot. And I'm just gonna set like the rest of my under eye with the brush. I'm gonna let that bake for a few minutes. I'm gonna get started on bronzing, not so much contouring. I'm gonna use the Mercier matte bronzing powder in Soleil 1. This one right here. It smells like coconut. It smells really good. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox Stippling Foundation brush. I use it for bronzing just because I like the shape of it. For blush today, I'm going to use the new Laura Mercier Color Fusion blush in Rosé. So I'm going to use their cheek contour brush with it as well. For a glow, I'm going to do two highlighters. So I'm going to start off with the liquid highlighter first. This is the e.l.f. Power Glow highlighter in gold. Looks like this right here, if you can see it. I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand and then apply it with the beauty blender. It needs to be wet. Apply this with my fingers first and then just blend it out with the beauty blender after. I'm gonna pat this on the high points of my cheekbones. I'm using the new Cheeky beauty blender that was made for blush, but it's small enough to apply like liquid highlighters, so I like it for that too. Then I'm going to use the powdered highlighter on top. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Hustler Baby. It's this one right here. I'm going to apply that with my Anastasia A23 brush. Moving on to the eye makeup now. I'm gonna start by color correcting my lids since they're pretty dark. Going in with that same color corrector from Decay. I'm gonna apply it on my lids and then I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. So now I'm going to prime my lids. I'm going to use the Smashbox Lid Primer in medium today. Just apply this on and then blend it out with a brush. And I like using kind of like a primer that's close to my skin tone so that I don't have to put that many eyeshadows on it. Since, like I said at the beginning, I only do like maybe 1 or 2 shadows for summer eye makeup looks. And then I'm going to set that with a translucent powder. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Colourpop Soul Eyeshadow Palette, which is the perfect summer eye makeup look for me. I love this palette so much. I'm a warm tone type of girl, so I'm probably going to stick with these 3 right here. If I do feel like 3, if anything, these 2 for sure. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here called B&B and pack that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here called Dynamite, and I'm just going to sweep that into the crease, blending it in windshield wiping motions and circular motions. I'm going to take a little bit more of B&B and apply it to the lid for a little bit more shine. Then I'm going to take the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I'm just going to use the shade called Full Zip. Right here, it's kind of like a matte cream color to just highlight the brow bone a bit. Okay, so basically that's it for the eye makeup. I'm just gonna curl my lashes for falsies, even though my lashes are non-existent right now. If you have been following me along with my horrible lash extension experience. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast mascara. I just got this in the mail a few days ago, so try it out. I'm going to apply their primer first. Jesus. For lashes today, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha. Depending on the person you are, you might think these are too dramatic, but these are like natural for me. So I like wearing these on summer days. So I'm just going to glue them on using my House of Lashes glue. Okay, so that is basically it for like the eyes and the face. Now, just to complete the look is the lips. Kind of a bit of a combo, these 4 products right here. So I'm going to first line my lips with the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in Undercover. Then I'm gonna use the Lawless Beauty liquid lipstick in George and apply that to my lips. Since I liked a kind of extra pouty look, I like to apply a lighter lipstick shade in the middle. So I'm gonna use Lawless Beauty liquid lipstick in Cameron and apply that in the middle as well. And for an extra pout, I'm going to use a lip gloss. This is the Dose of Colors I Love Sarah collab. It's the lip gloss in Brio, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of the lips. I'm just going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to last the summer heat. And we're done. Okay guys, that completes this video for my go-to summer makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. I know it's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial, but this was really fun to film. Give me ideas for the next video that you want to see. It could be fitness, another makeup tutorial, I don't know, but let me know on here or on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.